I wish to stay always like this, living quietly in a corner of nature. A very warm good morning to all of you. I am Princey. Today I am going to share my views on nature. Nature is a creation of God, and God has given us a beautiful gift. So we must maintain the balance without tampering with its original form. So today, my students of grade 7, they are going to recite a beautiful poem on nature. So let's enjoy.
Nature, nature, so lush and green. Nature, nature, so lush and green. The wonder of wonder, anyone has seen?
So cool and calm for full of life. So cool and calm for full of life. Make us forget all our strife.
Think of a forest full of trees. Think of a forest full of trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze.
Cut them down and construct towers. Cut them down and construct towers. Wait for ages to get a shower.
The bird that's so high in the sky. The bird that's so high in the sky. Can we imitate them however we try?
So that our children in future, can see the things we have nurtured.
We have got such a wonderful thing. We have got such a wonderful thing. Do what you can save a wing.
So today we pledge to Mother Nature.
We pledge to never let anyone damage the beauty that surrounds us.
Thank you.